Hey guys, iOS 14.2 Developer Beta 1 has been pushed out, a most unusual release. Yesterday iOS 14 came out and you can see that Apple is going full steam ahead on the software updates. So this one's quite large and there are 10 key features inside I wanted to cover. An explanation for this firmware could be that the iPhone 12s internally are running iOS 14.1 and 14.2 will greet them at launch. Seems right for about a 5-6 week beta program. Anyways, let's get into those changes. So first and foremost, in the control center, there is a new music player. So this one is completely overhauled over the last one. This is what we've been used to for quite some time here, and it's a complete overhaul. Otherwise, the now playing square is the same, but once you jump inside here in the expanded view, you can see it's completely redesigned. Now, when you're not playing anything, there are suggestions up here from within Apple Music. You're recently played, you can scroll through those and begin playing them instantly here. Now below the Now Playing page, down here you can get into your other speakers, other AirPlay devices. Previously you just scroll. Now you actually have to click down here. It's, I think, a much cleaner look and gives you a much better Now Playing interface. Also, the volume bar itself is easier to grab and scroll now, a little bit larger. And also within the control center, there is a new toggle now for Shazam music recognition. So there was an automation for this previously in iOS 14. Now you can actually enable it in your control center. Now you'll need to go to the control center settings to enable it, and this is what it looks like once it does register. Now it does work in the background if you enable it and lock your device, and that's a notification you'll get once your phone does register. It seems that it does get disabled after it finds the song, so you must re-enable it every time. Very cool feature. And also on the lock screen, the Now Playing interface is all new. As you can see, a larger cover image and also the larger volume slider. Wherever applicable, the AirPlay menu in the music menu, for example, now has a new interface when entering, and the actual interface is all new here. More condensed, slightly smaller icons, all around more pleasing. On the home screen, Apple has updated the Apple Watch icon here. Now it features the Apple Watch Series 6 with the solo loop band. In your privacy settings, in analytics and improvements, there's a new toggle here for helping improve hand washing. Also new, within the magnifier app, in the magnifier app settings, there's a new option for people detection. And if you go into people detection, new category here, once enabled, the magnifier app will be able to tell the difference in feet or meters between you or a person you're measuring. This is meant for people with vision disabilities. Also within the news widget settings, the first widget you're presented with is now topic instead of today. And the text placement within the weather widget has been optimized. And lastly, within sounds and haptics settings, in here, there's a new category or renamed headphone safety. Previously it was reduce loud sounds. And now there's a new option for headphone notifications. Now you'll be able to record how many loud indications you've had, notifications on your smartphone. Keep a tally here. All right, and there it is, iOS 14.2 developer beta. So as soon as we know more, I'll be sharing with you. It doesn't seem like a massive update, but some very welcome changes. I actually really like the new interface here for Now Playing. All right guys, stay tuned for the next one. Peace.